if you are looking for a fast way to get your subscribers very fast, especially those of you that want to be monetized, if you are looking for how to get your 1000 subscribers very fast, this video is for you, because I'll be teaching you how I was able to get my 1000 subscribers with few videos. I was able to get my 1000 subscribers completed. So if you are the type that is looking for your 1000 subscribers, this video is for you. And if you like this type of video, do well to like, comment, subscribe and share, so that people that need this type of video too will have access to it and will be able to watch. All right, so the first thing I do tell my students is that YouTube knows what works for you. All right, and you have to be very, like, you have to know your YouTube analytics very well. All right, especially that your YouTube Studio app, you and your YouTube Studio app should be 5 and 6. This is because if you're able to understand your YouTube Studio app, if you're able to understand your analytics, getting your 1000 subscribers will be very easy. Now let me tell you how to get your 1000 subscribers. If you are a YouTuber and you have posted some videos, you have posted up to 20 videos, now go and start checking those videos. Which of those videos draws subscribers most? If it's possible, look at your first and your second video that gained more subscribers. All right, once you have noticed that video, the next thing for you to do is to try and recreate something like that. All right, to try and recreate something like that. If you like, for example, as a YouTube coach, I know the video that got me a lot of subscribers, and if you see my channel, you notice that I'm creating something very similar to that. All right, now if you are a cook or you are someone that is doing a little like a cooking niche, and if you see that there's a particular type of video, maybe it's a video on how to cook soup that is bringing people, and you are doing video on how to cook soup, on how to cook rice, on how to cook beans, and you notice that anytime you post a video on how to cook soup, it will draw a lot of people, you should start working on that. All right, you should start trying to break down that type of video, looking for how to recreate that content, looking for how to rebrand that content, so that as long as you keep posting, it will keep bringing out more subscribers. All right, and the thing about YouTube is that if you post a particular video and YouTube sees that yes, a lot of people watch that video and subscribe, all right, anytime you post another video similar to that, go and look at your analytics very well. You will see that YouTube will push that video. That's why I said you and your analytics need to be 5 and 6. And how do you check your analytics? Through your YouTube Studio app. All right, if you don't have a YouTube Studio, because I know that there are some people that don't know that there is YouTube main app and YouTube Studio app. All right, so if you don't have a YouTube Studio app, go to Play Store, go to App Store, go and Apple Store rather, go and download it. All right, and start checking your analytics. You, and as a YouTube content creator, you and your YouTube Studio app need to be 5 and 6. You need to check every day which video is bringing me subscribers, which video is bringing me views. All right, because even if you are in a particular niche, you have to be creating videos on various topics. All right, but there will be a particular topic that will stand out. And YouTube will notice that topic. All right, now it is left for you to also notice that topic. Now, how do you notice that topic? You go to your YouTube Studio app, check the video, check the amount of subscribers. If you see that a particular video is bringing you more subscribers, what do you do next? You write that topic out, then you break down that topic. You try to look for a way to recreate that topic. If you are doing lifestyle and you see that maybe you posted something about you when working on your house or something, and you see that yes, that video bring views and bring subscribers, try to recreate that content. All right, try to recreate something around that topic again. All right. And if you try to recreate and you post it, the thing about YouTube is that YouTube will quickly detect that yes, you have posted something like this before and it worked. All right. So you posting it again, there is a high chance that it will work. All right. So those subscribers that subscribe to your previous video will watch it, and it will even bring more subscribers. It will resonate with your audience. All right. So YouTube is all about smart. It's not only about creating content. It's creating content that people want to watch. It's being smart. You have to be very, very smart if you want to be a YouTuber, and you have to quickly catch the trend, catch what is working. All right. And it's very, very easy for you to know what is working. Everything is in your YouTube studio. Everything is in your YouTube studio. So if you want to succeed as a YouTuber, your YouTube studio, you and your YouTube studio should be friends. Don't get tired of checking your YouTube studio every day, every minute, every hour. Check it. Be looking at the analytics, be looking at the amount of views, be looking at the view ratio, be looking at the impression rate, be looking at the watch duration. All right. All these things, if you're looking at all these things will help you know what is working and what is not working, so that you won't just be wasting your time. That's why you see that there are some creators that even after creating 100 videos, they are not still monetized. They will spend 1 year, 2 years on YouTube just creating videos. That's because they are just creating content. They don't know the content that their viewers want to watch. They're just creating content for creating sake. But also, there are some creators that 10 videos and they're already monetized. The reason is they know what their viewers want to watch, and they quickly understand, okay, this is what is working. This one is not working. This is what is working. The most important thing is how quick are you to know what is working. That is the most important thing. How quick are you to know what is working? And that is why I keep saying it. Your YouTube Studio app is very, very important. I know everybody should know what your YouTube Studio app is. Your YouTube Studio app is very, very important. That is where you will see what is working and what is not working. So how quick are you to know what is working is the first step of going viral and getting monetized. All right. And I repeat, it's not just about creating content. All right. It's about knowing what is working and how quick are you to know what is working, and also creating that thing. And how do you create it? Go to your YouTube Studio app. How do you check what is working? Go to your YouTube Creator app. Check which of your videos is bringing more subscribers. All right. Try to pick out that video, pick out the topic, and recreate something around that topic. Recreate something around that topic. Once you have done that, chances of you going viral, the chances of you getting monetized, the chances of you getting your 1,000 subscribers quick is highly guaranteed. All right. So that's it for today. If you gained value, let me know in the comment section so that I'll bring you more updates like this. And please like, share, subscribe to support me, and leave a comment. All right. Thank you, and I'll see you next.